20 plus pets who are crazy about their toy friends. We all want the best for our beloved pets and tend to buy them a lot of toys and accessories. Still, even having endless amounts of animal stuff doesn't prevent our pets from choosing that one toy. And we don't know the reason for these close bonds. Whether it's due to maternal feelings or even hunting instincts, watching our pets with their favorite toys is always so touching and amusing. We have prepared a compilation of the most adorable pets who love their toy friends more than anything. 1. A family friend recently got a pet rat. Here's a photo of it curled up on her bed with its favorite bear. 2. This birdie must be dreaming of having a chocolate baby parrot when sitting on this egg. 3. Happiness is a 99-cent IKEA stuffed mouse. 4. Don't touch it, it's mine. 5. Playing together leads to having a nap together. 6. Raphael napping with Raphael. 7. Just look at these cuddles. 8. Fluffy dreams to all of you. 9. Good night, I love you. 10. When you and your plumpy make up a perfect couple. 11. A best friend makes the perfect pillow. 12. It's either mine or mine. 13. My buddy, Mr. Rat and me. 14. I can't fall asleep without my bunny. 15. My buddy and I look alike, huh? 16. Everyone needs a teddy bear hug from time to time. 17. Meet my friend, Mr. Piggy. 18. Just a couple of lions enjoying their Friday night. 19. Don't take him away from me. 20. They're all mine. 21. I love dogs so much and now I have my own. 22. Try to find a duck in this picture. 23. He brings his dragon to the vet to feel brave. Do your pets have their one and only toy friend? Share your photos and thoughts in the comments.